First aid trucks have entered Gaza through the Kerem Shalom crossing, easing Israel's 3-month blockade slightly amid international pressure. Aid groups say the supplies are still insufficient as shortages and famine worsen. The move follows pressure from allies like the US, while countries including the UK, France, and Canada criticize Israel's limited aid efforts, calling them inadequate and weaponized. Israel says it controls aid to prevent Hamas from accessing resources, but critics argue this violates humanitarian principles.